Hello guys, today we are going to talk about how to use this EV Peak Intelligent Balance Charger UD1 that is designed for agricultural drones. First, connect the charger to the AC socket via the AC power cord. Then insert the battery to the charger via this adapter cable. Power on the charger by pressing this button. This intelligent charger UD1 can automatically recognize the battery information via the voice announcement. Now we are going to talk about how to charge your battery. There are two buttons. This is for charging and the other one is for storage. To start the charging process is super easy. You just need to hold the charge button. During the charging process, you can check more information from the screen such as battery type, internal voltage, charging current, and the current battery capacity displayed in an intuitive circular chart for greater clarity and visualization. Also includes battery capacity, serviceable time available, and ambient temperature display. When you want to exit the process, just press the button like this. When the batteries were long time of no usage, the storage function is recommended. Just press the storage button to start process. The charger has another functions, including wireless charging, Bluetooth remote control, and other features waiting for you to explore.